guys, so we are in day 2. So these are the books that I'm going to start off with. So I literally have a month off. I work one more day and then I am off. So I have an entire month to read. So I'm going to start off with these books. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. And these are debut. They're all debut. These were all sent to me. So I'm going into a lot of it blind. I already started on this one. I'm only like 2 chapters in. So I'm going to continue reading that. I'm reading a romance that is a part of a series. Literally, I'm almost done. So that one is going to be reviewed as a whole with the series. But there's gonna be a lot of reading this month, a lot of project stuff, and so I'm all excited for that. So these are what I'm gonna read, and as I read them, I'll tell you what they're about, because like I said, I know one is Caribbean, and I'm not sure what the other, but these are what I'm gonna start off with. I think last year in December, I think I read the most book ever. It was like 18 books. But it's possible to do that when I have all this time. I'm excited that I created a junk journal just for Vlogmas. So that's the intro that you guys saw. And I'll put a little clip in so you can see more of inside of it. But they're going to be spreads that I'm going to do. And daily spreads. So I did yesterday one. I didn't complete it all the way. But I'm going to sit down and have more time to write. I also made this cute bookmark, and then of course inside of it, it has where it says the day's video topic, December daily vlog. So the first one was of course November wrap up, and today we're gonna put in TBR and junk journal in it. So I absolutely love it. I love that I have a little pocket here. I've been loving doing that, and it's blingy, and I just stuffed this in here, and that's what I have so far. Of course, the cover spread, which you guys already saw, that I love. And the first spread so far not completed, but here we are. So I put in day 1. I have a lot of these. I have 21 days of these that I'm going to put in. And then of course I put in over here, star rating, the books that I talked about in the first video. Of course it says December 1st, monthly wrap up here. And just gonna jot a few notes here and there, and I'm gonna also make some comments on this side. And then today I am going to do today's spread as well. So this is gonna be kind of cool to fill up, and then at the end of Vlogmas, or well, the end of the December, I will go do a flip through of what I did in this and show you guys how I used it and creative ways that I was able to fill it up. I did stuff. This is probably overkill on this one. I literally was just, I didn't realize how thick the papers were that I was using. So it is stuff. So I have to be mindful of all the things that I'm going to pack in this, because I do feel like it's going to be chunky. I mean, it's already chunky, but it's going to be super chunky when it's done. But I'm excited to use it, and I probably over on TikTok, you can get to see more of what I do in this. So that's where I'm going to try to be active on my TikTok. So y'all follow me over there, please. I am also working on the junk journal for Journal Mode Child, and I actually have one more project to finish. I'm hoping tonight, because I gotta light up the Cricut and get that done today, and that's pretty much it. So this video is going to be short today because again I still gotta work. So I'm still tired, so I can't wait to be done with work so I have more energy to focus on other stuff. But let me know if you read any of these books, how you like them, you know, that kind of deal. And then tomorrow we're gonna talk about what I picked up for Black Friday. I'm gonna do a video because that's gonna be more in depth of the things that I did. I also want to show you some fabrics and stuff that I'm going to be working on for dress projects. I'm excited for that. And then I will most likely be done with the journal mood stuff, so maybe I'll be able to show you guys what their giveaway look like. And yeah, so that's what I have going on today. So yeah, let's get back to some journaling stuff, and I will see y'all in a few minutes. Yeah. So hey guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. It's a long day. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'm going to finish this spread because I need to add some more stuff to it, and some other things. But I am off tomorrow, so I can relax and do this, or I might later on tonight. We'll see. But I'm gonna end day two. Day two just feels like it's just me getting in the groove of things, and but we'll see you tomorrow where there's more goodies. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bye.